Ready to get started with CyberPanel? You're in the right place. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through installing and setting up CyberPanel on your Linux server, step by step, no fluff. So, what's CyberPanel? It's a sleek, lightweight control panel built on top of OpenLiteSpeed. It makes managing websites, hosting environments, and servers feel easy, even powerful. Don't let the clean interface fool you, though. It's packed with features built for developers, sysadmins, and serious users. Let's get you up and running. By the end of this guide, you'll see why so many people are switching to CyberPanel. Part 1. Connecting to the server. Before anything else, you need to connect to the server. To do this, use the PuTTY software. After running it, enter the server IP address and click Open. As you can see, a window will appear asking you for the root username. Enter it. So, you will be asked for the password. Also, enter it. As you can see, nothing is displayed when you type the password. Don't worry, this is built in for security purposes and is entirely normal. With these simple and basic steps, you have successfully connected to the server and are ready to update the system. Part 2. Updating the system. By entering this command, apt update and apt upgrade y. The operating system will update the software packages and even the system kernel. This character, y inside the command, confirmations are done automatically. After the update, the system prompts us to confirm whether we want to keep the current version if it is installed correctly. So we must select this, keep the current version option. So the system announces that a new version of the kernel is available, and by selecting OK, the update is completed. Part 3. Installing CyberPanel. To start the installation of CyberPanel, we use this command. Then you will be asked. Please enter the number 1. Which we do, and then select the Install CyberPanel with OpenLiteSpeed option. The system will start the installation. You will be asked questions to confirm the complete installation. First, enter Y to select full installation. Now, type N to install local MySQL or just simply press Enter to select the default option. Press Enter to continue with the latest version. I'm choosing the default password here, but you can either generate a random one or set your custom password. I'm choosing Y to install both MEM cached and Redis along with their PHP extensions. Next, it's asking if we want to enable the Watchdog service for monitoring web and database services. This will automatically run after installation and reboot. I'll confirm with a capital Y to proceed. If you got the message, pending kernel upgrade. It means that the installation has been completed successfully, but is not currently active, which we will activate in the next step. Reminder, before restarting the server, the login information for the CyberPanel control panel will be displayed. This information will be needed when logging into the panel again. So keep it in a safe place. Part 4. Reboot and check connection. We come to an important step, the activation step. After installing the new kernel version, the system must be restarted once to activate it and enable its use. So the system asks you, would you like to restart your server now y/n, y? Confirm by entering y. Now that the restart is done and the new kernel version is activated, it's time to make sure it's available. To do this, enter the following ping command in CMD. I've blurred out my server IP for privacy. In your case, make sure to type your own server's IP address here instead. You should know that sometimes the connection may be interrupted. But don't worry. Whenever this happens to you, right-click in the PuTTY window and select the Restart Session option. You will see that you are back in the root environment. Part 5. Logging into the administration panel. You have done everything correctly so far. So, there will be no problem logging into the panel. Open the browser and enter your server's IP address. As you can see, you will be asked for login information to access. Enter the username and password you wrote down earlier to be granted access. Finally, you will enter the server dashboard environment, from which you can manage the server settings. That's right. You were able to install, update, and launch your server step by step. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe.